How to fix no sound issue in Clash Royale. This tutorial shows you how to resolve audio problems and restore sound in Clash Royale on your Android device. First, make sure your device volume is turned up by pressing the volume up button. Next, open the Clash Royale application on your Android device. Following that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Now, you'll see the in-game settings menu. Moving forward, look for the music and sound effects options. Make sure both music volume and sound effects volume sliders are turned up. Drag the sliders to the right to increase the volume levels. Close the settings and check if sound is now working in the game. Alternatively, if sound is still not working, force close Clash Royale. Go to your device settings and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Clash Royale in the app list. Tap on Force Stop to completely close the game. Afterwards, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Don't clear data, as this may reset your game progress. Now, reopen Clash Royale and check if the sound is restored. If the issue persists, restart your Android device completely. After restarting, open Clash Royale again and test the audio. The sound should now be working properly in the game. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix no sound issue in Clash Royale, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.